I am here to review the Toshiba microwave oven and air fryer. My husband got this for me for my birthday this year, and I'll just show you a couple of the great features that I love about it. First of all, it's a microwave. It's a good size, and it has some really easy things to control. Especially love this menu inside here, where you can see kind of like a little cheat sheet of what it is that you want to cook and how long and what setting that you need to put it on. And then here's the air fryer tray that you can put in there, and it's super easy to do. It just kind of fits right in here. And then you would hit air fry and you would turn it to the temperature that you want, hit start to confirm, and it will take a couple minutes to get there. It just depends on the temperature, but it's usually about 5 or 10 minutes. And when all of these lines are here, you'll see that it's at your temperature and it'll stop. And then that would be when you would actually put the tray in, and then you would turn it how long you wanted to air fry the food for. One really neat thing too is that the manual also includes this cookbook, so it has a ton of recipes that you can use the air fryer for, which is great because I had no clue how to use an air fryer. So that was really nice, and it shows you exactly what to use and how to use it. Like sometimes it's higher, sometimes it's lower, and so that's really helpful. My kids can use this really easily. One of the other things I really love about it is you don't really realize how much your microwave stinks from all the food that's in there, but this one has an odor remover. So all you have to do is press that, and it takes 5 minutes, but it really does work. It smells a lot better. It's easy to keep clean, and I think that's about it. Those are my favorite things about this air fryer microwave.
I would just like to demonstrate a few functions on the Toshiba combination microwave air fryer. We have your Pro Defrost, which has these different defrost levels, which you either need to memorize or refer back to the book each time you want to use them. Once you hit the center of the dial, then you can turn the dial to select the number of ounces, and you would hit the center dial to start again. Clicking Pro Defrost and going to Def 7, which is the timed defrost rather than ounces, hit the center dial, and when you turn the dial, that's seconds, 5, 10, 15, 20. You really have to crank it to get any meaningful number of minutes that you would need to defrost. Hit the center dial again. You have our air fry, which is just temperature. Air fry presets, which again, you'd have to look at the table in the booklet to determine which each of these are. The same with the auto menu. You'd have to look at the booklet to see which each of these represents.
Con la intención pues de despejar un poco el counter porque mi cocina es pequeña y obviamente de prender menos el convencional de la estufa eléctrica. No es buena idea, solamente un uso en modo air fryer, y tengo estos residuos de grasa que para empezar no trajo bandeja para recoger la grasa, y para seguir, si le paso una esponja de aluminio, me dañaría el aluminio dentro del microwave. Entiendo que no es una buena inversión. Si lo estás pensando como yo, como para tener todo en uno, no lo es. No es una buena inversión.
says that the rack, this piece, is supposed to be used at different heights inside the machine, and you have to use it with this thing here. But the way this thing's made, there is no difference in the height. So I'm stuck trying to figure out what I'm supposed to do for sure, but I think what I have to do is force this down into here like that in order to have the low position.
This is what my refurbished, excellent shaped Toshiba sounds like in convection cooking mode. I don't think so.
I purchased this Toshiba microwave oven fryer a few days ago. I really like it. It takes some time to get used to, but the only thing I dislike is it makes this loud, annoying noise. Will be returning.
Fine. The glass is shattered.
Turn it off.